Let me flip it out of the box real quick. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Oh, this is the wrong shoe. This is the wrong shoe, guys. We can't show these yet. We can't show these. We got some Grails in. Let me go grab the right box so I can show y'all what I got. All right, so you guys seen the clip that we just posted. That literally was happening while I was shooting. Had a couple different packages. Didn't know which one was which. And I end up opening the wrong box. But today's sneaker that we will be unboxing, the shoe that I truly regret selling. And it's not a, I guess you say, Grail pickup. It's still Grail status, but I wouldn't say it's a Grail pick because I literally just had this shoe, but I had it in the wrong size. I had it in the size 9, so it wasn't my size. Got it for retail. Let them go when I sold my senior collection. Now we have a personal size 9.5. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into this package and see what we reach back and grab. And this is the first episode of the reach backs, man. Let me stop playing, bro. I'm not making no serious and like that, but this is a cool little, let's just say, segue into getting some of the shoes I did sell initially. In the heat of the moment, I was like, you know, just take everything. And my boy James, he'll tell you, I was like, take it. It was only like a couple that I was like, you know, hold on, let me keep that, you feel me? But we do have the first reach back here today. If you guys are new here to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, run them likes up. All those great things do tremendously help the channel grow. If y'all want to help your boy out, make sure you hype the video up. Y'all see up there, bro. Y'all see up there, we got the Grail up there. It's actually like some of my Grails of all time. So you got the Tokyo 5s up here. You got the UNC Off-White 1s. You have the Undefeated 4s, which I never thought I would own. Brick by Bricks, Raptor 7s. And yeah, Brick by Bricks really not a Grail status yet. Maybe down the line if I take an L and I really want them, let it fester a while, then I'll, you know, consider it a Grail of mine, my personal Grail. But yeah, it does look pretty cool. And we got some more Grails on the way. I can't wait, bro. I'm getting all my Grails, bro. I'm pretty much passing up on a lot of releases. Like I told y'all last year, I'm not keeping a lot of these shoes because there's not things that I will see myself wearing. It's not a Grail. And at the end of the day, it's probably gonna collect dust like the other 300 shoes I sold we're gonna do. But that's neither here nor there. Let's get into the package. It literally opened up nearly, bro. Like I literally almost spoiled the reach back. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into them, dog. So I don't have to pop the tape open because, like I said, it was already cut open. I was a little, you know, I shot the gun too early in terms of opening this package. But this is another GOAT pickup, and I got these a little while ago. I got these back in January while I was like, you know, planning out how I want to come back to YouTube and stuff like that. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wait to open them and then I'm gonna check them out with you guys. But this is my personal size 9.5, so I am super excited. And once I show y'all the box, if you already ain't skip already, you gonna know what they are. You gonna know what they are, and that's why I couldn't show them the other day. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out, bro. Y'all know I had to do it to them, man. Y'all know I had to do it to them. It was only a matter of time before these came back to the collection. We have no other than the Air Foamposite 1 Quick Strike, size 9.5, Obsidian Anthracite in black. And it's crazy because whoever got these bought them from Luxury Box ATL. You see it, bro. And the resale was really low. I got them for like $330 or something, $320, $330, 1 to 2. I said, bro, let me stop playing. And I got them around the same time as I got the Stranger Things. So I actually got these first. Then I picked up the Stranger Things, had to unbox those, and yeah, y'all know what we got, bro. Y'all know what we got. Galaxy tissue paper, and bam, man, check them out. We have the Galaxy Nike Foamposites, and ooh, wait, these joints is crazy every time I see them. And again, I said this is gonna be the first reach back that I do go out there and grab. Again, I did get these from the lovely GOAT app. Shout out to GOAT. And yeah, bro, y'all know how the box is coming. But check them out, bro. My personal size 9.5. They are finally here. And yeah, I'm just excited. Every time I see this shoe, I get excited. They smell really good. Of course, you got your remove before flight tag right here. Galaxy theme going across or around the entire sneaker. And something cool that I did see, I don't know who did it, and I want to give the credit where credit's due. And this might not be nothing like super crazy, but they put the tag under the tongue. Like, I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know who did it, but whoever it was, one of my homies, I thought that was pretty cool. I won't do it personally, but I thought that was super dope to, you know, kind of add the, you know, little extra accessory you get from Nike and put on a shoe and rock it, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's almost like rocking the hang tag. You don't really do it, but if you can find a way to kind of finesse it, put it under the laces, you know, that thing is pretty fire in my opinion. The Galaxies pretty much speak for themselves. Of course, you got the icy blue bottoms, and if I'm not mistaken, these glow in the dark. I might be talking prematurely. This is the Grail of mine. I'm like, oh, I don't remember if they glow in the dark. I don't think so. I don't know. Y'all help me in the comment section. But you got your Galaxy going across, your penny logo down on the heel of these guys. And you got your regular pull tab. Of course, it's not flipped like the upside down or the Vecna Foamposites, but these right here were once a shoe you could not obtain. This was once a sneaker that was going for thousands of dollars, and you know, people was selling cars, people was flipping their whole collection in order to get some of these shoes y'all see behind me, like the Tokyo 5s, like the Galaxy Foamposites, like, you know, people, or even the Undefeated 4s. Like, that's the point, that's the main one I should have talked about. The Undefeated 4s, the amount of things people were doing for that sneaker is unheard of. And now look what we got. We got shoes that are obtainable. They're not unobtainable. Resale is reasonable if you have the means to do it. And yeah, it's kind of just, you know, surreal, you know what I'm saying, to be a sneakerhead coming up in the community a little bit younger. Of course, you couldn't afford them. At least I couldn't afford them growing up. And I said, you know what? I'm going to have this shoe eventually. I'm going to get them one way or another. And we do have them right here, man. And since we are on the Foamposites, you know, subject, just want to show these one more time, bro. The Vecna upside down foams. These are crazy. These are absolutely nuts. I promise you, if you never liked foams, never bought a foam, I would highly recommend this be one of the first ones you do. Like, you know, you go out there and try to get some attention to, try to cop, because they are so unique. They're so dope. And I just love all the different hits that they did throw on these Foamposites. And something I didn't show on the video is that these do glow in the dark. They glow in the dark, and I forgot to put that in the video. But yeah, these are super crispy. And a shoe or a Foamposite that I really, really want, that, you know, kind of spilled over for me getting these, buying the Galaxies again, is the DB Foamposites. I gotta buckle down, find somebody that got them. It's just like they're super high over on GOAT, like $1,000 something, but the last sale was about like $500-600. So I'm trying to bid like in between that range to see if I do hit. Definitely want to add that one. That's a Grail of mine as well, and we'll see if we are able to obtain them joints, add them to the collection. And I thought the Stranger Things Foamposites will kind of like make me not want them anymore, but it made me want them even more. Like, that's crazy, bro. But yeah, guys, you see them, super crispy Galaxy. This could definitely be a, I didn't drop the shoe. This could definitely be a Grail unboxing. But again, I had the shoe already, and it's like, you know, technically a reach back, but the size I have was a size 9, and I don't want to squeeze my foot into a Foamposite size 9. That's my 9.5, and I'm gonna stay true to that with my Foamposites. They do run really, really tight in my opinion. So yeah, bro, we got the things back. They were a must, and can't wait to throw these on feet, man. Let me know in the comment section if you have the Galaxy Foamposites, or if you have the other pair, the 2.0s, or they call those the I can't think right now. But I appreciate all the support. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I need everybody to run a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. We got some more stuff to unbox, and I don't know when I'm gonna do it, how I'm gonna do it, but just know it's gonna be some good content on the way, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content we are bringing thus far, man. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.